Hi there everybody, and welcome to another video. On today's video I have this VW Golf. This is a 2014, and I'm just gonna show you quickly the location of the pollen filter, or what is it called, cabin filter, particle filter. And basically in this particular car it's sitting kind of behind the glove box here. So to open this glove box, we just obviously open it here, but we need to lower it. We lower it and then it's sitting behind, and for that we have these tabs. We have one tab here, and then we bring this down a little bit, and there's another one here which is the same thing. Okay, so before pulling those tabs down, you want to disconnect this little thing here as well. This thing here, we're gonna disconnect that, and what we need to do is just move it to one side. This one is a little bit disconnected already, but if you push it towards yourself, then you can sort of take it out and just release it. Otherwise, when you bring this down, it will sort of pull this out, and the whole mechanism will fall apart. So then you can go ahead and do the tabs. You need to, but in this case, in this car, it's a little bit broken, so it's a little bit harder to open it. Okay, so it's just a matter of pushing the tabs up, and then this will get released. But this one is a little bit broken in there, a little bit messed up, and that's why it's like that. And then that will release this whole door. So again, this up, and where is it? This one also up, and that will release that, and then you will find your pollen filter sitting here. So we just need to open it from here, these little clips, push them down a little bit, and that should technically release it. If you're using one hand. So there we are. Take that cover out. And this is basically where the pollen filter is. So take it out. Also make a note of the arrow here, the way it's pointing. And then you get your new one in there. This is a VW one, original. I'm not really changing it today, just showing you the location. And then you get your new one, and like I said, make a note of the arrow and how it's come out, and then we can just go ahead and fit the new one in there. Get the cover back in there. Make sure it clips into place, and then you can bring this door up again. So you may need to use push the clip, this clip up again, just to let it in there, both ends, and then pull this down a bit, put it into the hole, and lock it into position, and you're pretty much done. So basically that's where the pollen filter is. So hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.